Welcome to video 3 in this 4-video series where we're using Juji to create a survey. In this video, we're going to look at adding in an open-ended question. As before, to add in a new question, click the plus sign and make sure you drag the card to where you want it to be in the general conversation. Select this and then click Request User Input. We've got 6 shot options here, but we're looking for a free text question. The open-ended question we're going to ask is, after playing our newly released game, what are your general thoughts? Did you like it? Would you like to see any character additions, etc.? Let's preview. You'll notice now that Ava asks the open-ended question. After playing our newly released game, what are your general thoughts? Did you like it? Would you like to see any other character additions? To the open-ended question, we give our free text answer. In the 4th and final video, we'll look at how we can gain insights from the customer survey results.